In this video, I'm excited to share with you the top 5 tips to get 100 subscribers per day. Here we go. YouTube data reveals that about 1 to 3% of your viewers will subscribe to your channel. If you get a little over 3,000 views on one video, and 3% of the viewers subscribe, you'll get about 100 subscribers per day. Things always seem more doable when you break them down, so when you get discouraged or overwhelmed, just break things down into small parts and focus on the very next thing. Okay, so the goal is to get as many views as possible on your videos. But how do we do that? Well, your videos can be found by viewers through search results, suggested feeds, and browse features. Let's first talk about how to maximize the potential to have your video show up in YouTube search results. Tip number 1. To have your videos show up in the search results, it's best to base your content on a very specific niche. In the past 2 videos, I shared which niches are best. Please watch them if you haven't already. You need to choose a niche that is already very popular. Choose a niche that has at least 20 channels with at least 100,000 subscribers each. Tip number 2. Make at least 30 to 60 videos before you expect to see results. So many beginners get discouraged after only making a few videos, but that's just not how YouTube works. Some successful creators took years before they saw big results. However, with lessons learned from other YouTube masters, we don't have to take that long. Tip number 3. Search popular videos on YouTube in your same niche to get ideas for great thumbnails. Notice the fonts, message, colors, as well as the titles. Use the ideas to make your own, but never copy things exactly. This will give your videos the best chance of showing up on suggested feeds. Tip number 4. Go into your video analytics and view the audience retention data. See where your viewers are leaving your video and when the views go up. Note the things that viewers didn't like and do more of the things they like. You'll know your video is doing well if you have at least 60% view duration and about a 6% click-through rate. Tip number 5. Provide high-quality content. Viewers want either entertainment or education. Make sure you're providing one or both of those effectively. Lastly, if you have the will and the means, the quickest way to YouTube success is to learn from a YouTube master who has already done what you want to do. Matt Parr has over 10 very successful YouTube channels and offers what I believe is the best course on how to make money on YouTube. There's a link in the description you can check out. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.